Okay guys, now whenever the air conditioner guys work on putting the ductwork in your new house or to rebuild what you have, this might be what they have. This is a 14-inch. They have all the way down to 6 and 4-inch. It goes together like so. You want to make sure everything's, this groove goes inside that. Now, I'm not really set up to do it, but you bend it in and it connects together like, believe me, this stuff will cut you, so be very, very careful. Yep, right there. That lip's got to go in there. Okay, then when you get that lip in there, you put a screw. See how that lip goes underneath? You put a screw here. Zip screws, little 1/4-inch screws, and that holds it together. Also, if you notice, this is your pinched inside. That end will go over that end. Then you put screws and then tape on each one of those. There you go. All different sizes do the same thing.